want to show you a gotcha when you're working with input. So remember, we can call input, and then it'll ask the user for some inputs. Maybe I'll put in the number 10. It's kind of funny. That just goes away because I didn't store the answer. So I have to say something like x equals the input, and then I'll be able to get access to that 10 again. Now what's cool is I'm running into that problem where it says it's busy. See Python 3 busy, and it says the star. So even if I do like simple stuff like print 3, it's actually not going to run. I just get that star there saying, yo, I'm still waiting on some input. So somehow I've gotten myself where it tried to ask me what input was, but I didn't provide it. I didn't see it happen, but it got kind of screwed up. So I hit stop. Then that gray turns to white, and I can run the input again. So now I get 10, and then I can say print x, and x will have the value 10. Something really frustrating is actually that's a string right now. If I say type of x, and I run that, it's going to tell me, oh, it's of type string. Often that's not what I want. So when I want to add things together, if I tried to add, 5 plus the string 10, I actually am going to get an error there. So it says type error, unsupported operand type for plus, int and string. So it's telling me, yo, you gave me an integer and a string, and like that does not work. And similarly, if I tried to add 5 and x, I would get that same error. Okay, so the big picture thing here is if I want an int, I have to tell it I want x to be an int. Then I can run it, and it's just totally fine adding it together. So again, the big idea is that when I get input, say here I'm going to get 100, I'm going to pass in 100. The type of that variable x is still going to be a string, and so if I want to add it to anything, I get an error if I just try and add it directly. See, I get that type error when I run it. But if I say, yo, turn it into an int, then I'm going to be able to get the actual int value of that string and add it to 5. Similarly, I could get a float value, and then when I run it, it adds 5 plus the float value 100.0, and I get that output. It's actually super common where we call input and then we want to add a value to it. So just knowing that the original type of it when we get it from input is going to be a string. So if you want it to be a number, you have to explicitly what we call cast it. So call this function, yo, turn it into an int for me.